1. What is Operation Brahma referring to in 2025? A. A peacekeeping mission in Africa. B. Disaster relief operation in Myanmar. C. Counter-terrorism in Kashmir. D. Anti-piracy mission in the Indian Ocean. Correct answer is option B, disaster relief operation in Myanmar. 2. In February 2025, a tragic crowd crush occurred at New Delhi railway station on a footbridge above platforms 14 to 15. How many people died? A. 8. B. 15. C. 18. D. 22. Correct answer is option C, 18. 3. Which team has won the title of Women's Hockey Asia Cup 2025 by defeating India in the final? A. Nepal. B. China. C. Japan. D. Malaysia. Correct answer is option B, China. 4. Who is the author of the book Different but No Less? A. Dr. Aparna Singh. B. Arundhati Roy. C. Anupam Kher. D. Ashwini Shrivastava. Correct answer is option C, Anupam Kher. 5. When is the 10th Orvada Day 2025 celebrated? A. 20 September. B. 21 September. C. 22 September. D. 23 September. Correct answer is option D, 23 September. 6. On the 6th of January 2025, a major Naxal attack occurred in which Indian district? A. Bastar, Chhattisgarh. B. Koraput, Odisha. C. Bijapur, Chhattisgarh. D. Dantewada, Chhattisgarh. Correct answer is option C, Bijapur, Chhattisgarh. 7. Which new policy for sports was approved in 2025 by the Union Cabinet? A. National Sports Policy 2025. B. Yoga Promotion Policy 2025. C. Traditional Games Revival Policy. D. No policy was approved. Correct answer is option B, Yoga Promotion Policy 2025. 8. Who became the first Indian to win the International Water Prize 2025? A. Dr. Himanshu Kulkarni. B. Kailash Satyarthi. C. Sunita Narani. D. Dr. Raghuvendra Kumar. Correct answer is option A, Dr. Himanshu Kulkarni. 9. Which of the following describes the Swachh Shehar Jodi program launched in 2025? A. A program to revamp rural sanitation. B. A mentorship pairing of cities to manage municipal solid waste. C. A campaign to plant 1 million trees. D. A national cleanliness quiz competition. Correct answer is option B, a mentorship pairing of cities to manage municipal solid waste. 10. Who has taken charge as the new Controller General of Accounts CGA of India? A. TCA Kalyani. B. Rajkumar Arora. C. Madhuri Basu. D. Deepak Kumar. Correct answer is option A, TCA Kalyani. 11. What change in aviation policy was proposed by India in October 2025? A. Banning all foreign airlines in India. B. Imposing higher taxes on aircraft imports. C. Easing aircraft leasing conditions, especially wet leases. D. Mandating all airlines to operate only electric planes by 2030. Correct answer is option C. Easing aircraft leasing conditions, especially wet leases. 12. Who became Nepal's first female Attorney General in September 2025? A. Sushila Karki. B. Bidya Devi Bhandari. C. Sabita Bhandari. D. Meera Kumari. Correct answer is option C. Sabita Bhandari. 13. In the 2025 Delhi Legislative Assembly election, which party won a majority and who became the new Chief Minister? A. Aam Aadmi Party Arvind Kejriwal. B. BJP Rekha Gupta. C. Congress Sheila Dikshit. D. BJP Manoj Tiwari. Correct answer is option B. BJP Rekha Gupta. 14. Who has become the new Prime Minister of France? A. Emmanuel Macron. B. Inga Ruginiene. C. Andrew Holness. D. Sébastien Lecornu. Correct answer is option D. Sébastien Lecornu. 15. Which amendment to the DGCA rules was being considered to help Indian airlines like Indigo? A. Blocking wet leases entirely. B. Exempting wet lease restrictions under special conditions. C. Taxing wet leases at higher duty. D. Disallowing wet leases from countries below safety score 90. Correct answer is option B. Exempting wet lease restrictions under special conditions. 16. Who has been honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2023 in September 2025? A. Akash Parekh. B. Rajinikanth. C. Mithun Chakravarti. D. Mohanlal. Correct answer is option D. Mohanlal. 17. In 2025, Indian states plan to raise around how much through market borrowing in a quarter, according to RBI? A. 50,000 crore rupees. B. 1 lakh crore rupees. C. 2.82 lakh crore rupees. D. 5 lakh crore rupees. Correct answer is option C. 2.82 lakh crore rupees. 18. When is World Lung Day 2025 celebrated? A. 25 September. B. 22 September. C. 21 September. D. 23 September. Correct answer is option A. 25 September. 19. In September 2025, which city hosted the international event World Food India 2025? A. Hyderabad. B. Mumbai. C. New Delhi. D. Bengaluru. Correct answer is option C. New Delhi. 20. Which sector did India announce plans to open up for private and foreign investment to raise capacity from approximately 8.8 gigawatts to 22 gigawatts by 2032? A. Wind energy. B. Solar energy. C. Nuclear energy. D. Hydropower. Correct answer is option C. Nuclear energy. 21. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary to Vice President C.P. Radhakrishnan? A. Chandrasekhar. B. Amit Khare. C. Jayant Singh. D. Rajiv Bhal. Correct answer is option B. Amit Khare. 22. On 9th February 2025, a major clash took place in Chhattisgarh's Indravati National Park between security forces and Maoists. How many Maoists were reported killed? A. 15, B. 24, C. 31, D. 40. Correct answer is option C. 31. 23. Who has been named by the International Cricket Council (ICC) as the Men's Player of the Month for August 2025? A. Mohammad Siraj, B. Matt Henry, C. Jayden Seales, D. Jagdesh Thankar. Correct answer is option A. Mohammad Siraj. 24. The Talash program for tribal Eklavya schools in 2025 aims to do what? A. Replace existing curriculum entirely. B. Provide life skills, psychometric assessment, career counseling, teacher training. C. Convert all schools to English medium. D. Provide free meals only. Correct answer is option B. Provide life skills, psychometric assessment, career counseling, teacher training. 25. Debrigar Wildlife Sanctuary of which state has been approved by the National Tiger Conservation Authority (NTCA) to become India's newest tiger reserve? A. Jharkhand, B. Odisha, C. Chhattisgarh, D. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is option B. Odisha. 26. Which country has won the title of Men's Cricket Asia Cup 2025? A. Bangladesh, B. India, C. Sri Lanka, D. Pakistan. Correct answer is option B. India. 27. What was Operation Black Forest, also called Operation Kagar, in 2025? A. A forest conservation drive. B. A joint military exercise with foreign countries. C. A counter-Naxal operation between Chhattisgarh and Telangana. D. An anti-drug trafficking operation. Correct answer is option C. A counter-Naxal operation between Chhattisgarh and Telangana. 28. What is the Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana announced in 2025 under the Annadatta pillar? A. A crop insurance scheme. B. Scheme targeting 100 low productivity districts to improve irrigation, storage and credit access for 1.7 crore farmers. C. A fertilizer subsidy scheme. D. Only for procurement of pulses. Correct answer is B. Scheme targeting 100 low productivity districts to improve irrigation, storage and credit access for 1.7 crore farmers. 29. When is World Ozone Day 2025 celebrated? A. 12 September 2025. B. 16 September 2025. C. 14 September 2025. D. 15th September 2025. Correct answer is option B. 16th September 2025. 30. The Operation Brahma launched by India in 2025 was in response to which event? A. Cyclone in Bangladesh. B. Earthquake in Myanmar. C. Flood in Nepal. D. Volcano eruption in Indonesia. Correct answer is option B. Earthquake in Myanmar. 31. What is Bharat Forecasting System (BFS) launched by the Government of India in 2025? A. A satellite for weather observation. B. A high-resolution weather prediction system by IMD. C. A drought forecasting scheme for farmers. D. A climate risk insurance program. Correct answer is option B. a high-resolution weather prediction system by IMD. 32. What is the objective of Swami Fund 2, launched in 2025? A. To subsidize agriculture equipment. B. To complete stalled housing projects. C. To grant awards to startups. D. To promote solar energy in rural areas. Correct answer is option B. To complete stalled housing projects. 33. What new provision was made to the Kisan Credit Card (KCC) scheme in Budget 2025? A. Limit removed completely. B. Increased loan limit from 3 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees. C. Only farmers with 5 acres land eligible. D. Interest rate set to 0%. Correct answer is option B. Increased loan limit from 3 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees. 34. What is Atal Tinkering Labs ATL initiative expansion announced in 2025? A. Merge with Skill India. B. 50,000 labs in government schools over next 5 years. C. Only in urban schools. D. Labs to be free for all students over 18. Correct answer is option B. 50,000 labs in government schools over next 5 years. 35. What is Mission Sudarshan Chakra introduced in 2025? A. A space mission to the moon. B. A defense modernization mission incorporating counter-strike and anti-cyber warfare capabilities. C. A health insurance plan. D. A crop insurance scheme. Correct answer is B. A defense modernization mission incorporating counter-strike and anti-cyber warfare capabilities.